Welcome to another episode of the Epic Jamaican, and I know I've been away for a while, but I've been gone because of work and school, but I'm back. Today we're gonna be doing prank calls, and we're gonna be prank calling a few people and get their reaction. Now let's do it.
Hello?
Hey, is this Brit?
Yes, who is this?
Brittany? Oh, one of your friends gave me your number. Told me you're interested.
I said, who is this?
Oh, this is well, I don't really want to give you.
Okay, goodbye. Don't ever call my phone again, okay? Bye.
I feel bad. Heartbroken. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, you have something for me that I need back.
Who?
Yeah, you have something for me I need. You have something for me that I need back.
Who is it?
Listen, you have my girl's virginity and I need it back. Like, I need it back today.
Who the fuck is this? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Do you shave down there?
Chase what?
Down there, you know, downstairs.
Way downstairs.
You know the.
My toes?
No, the secret palace where the princess
The
lives.
secret palace. My vagina? Who is that? Honey, first I can help you.
Hello, I have a little problem in my room. I have fallen and I cannot get up.
What would you like me to do?
I was wondering if you could come help me to get up.
Would you like me to call an ambulance?
Well, that will not be needed at the moment. I just would like you to come help me. Hello.
Hello?
Hi, is this the Walmart that I'm at right now?
Is this Walmart? Yes, it is.
You see, there's like an issue. Are you close to the bathroom?
Am I close to the bathroom?
Yes.
Why?
Cause I'm in the bathroom and I'm out of toilet paper.
You're in the bathroom and you're out of toilet paper.
Yeah, and I can't
Men's
get...
or women's?
Men bathroom.
Men's in the front or the back?
I don't know, but can you hurry up, please?
Are you in the front of the store or the back of the store?
I don't remember.
You don't know?
No.
Are you back by electronics or are you in the front by the registers?
I'm sorry, but I'm having a hard time. Hold on, let me think. I think I saw the electric when I was passing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll have someone deliver in the men's restroom, correct?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Thank you.
Wait, are you going? You're gonna stay on the phone with me? Alright guys, that's all the time I have for today. I will be uploading another video soon. So I'll see you guys later next video. Alright, man. See you later.